Kung feeling dry, rough, o parang tired looking ang skin mo, this is an easy DIY mask you can try. I like this kind of mask kasi may moisturizing ingredients plus ingredients that can help remove sun surface dryness. 1 tablespoon rice flour. Give the mask a slightly grainy texture that can provide gently physical exfoliation. 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel adds a light moisturizing feel and can feel soothing kapag dry ang skin. 1 tablespoon milk. Milk contain lactic acid pero since homemade recipe ito, don't expect the same result as a properly formulated skincare product. Add everything into a clean bowl and mix until smooth. If too thick, add a little more milk, small amount lang hanggang makuha mo yung soft, spreadable texture. Hindi natin kailangan ng super gritty mixture, gently lang tayo sa skin. Apply a thin layer onto clean skin, avoiding the eyes and lips. Give it on for around 10 minutes. Then, rinse gently with lukewarm water using your fingertips. And please, huwag kuskusin ng madiin. More friction doesn't mean faster result. Pwede pa itong mag-cause ng irritation. Pat your skin dry, then follow with your usual moisturizer. After rinsing, the biggest difference may simply be how your skin feel. Softer, smoother, less dry feeling. Temporarily brighter looking. Rice flour provides the physical exfoliation, while aloe vera and milk gives the mask a softer, more moisturizing feel. Sometimes, a good DIY doesn't need to promise perfect skin. Sometimes, it's simply about giving your skin a little self-care, moisture, and refresh.